Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I want to share with you guys a new die that I purchased. And you guys, this die is so cute. And when I saw it, I was like, I need that in my life. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I purchased the new Sizzix Llama die. You guys, how cute is this die? Do you see that? So I wanted to show you guys because I really haven't seen anybody haul this die, and it's by Caitlin Lizardi. I have a link down below where you guys can go check it out. It is super adorable. I think the one that's here they made with felt, but I used glitter cardstock. And you guys, I want to share with you what I created. So of course, I love making cards. If you guys follow me, you know that. So I decided to make a card. And you guys, this is my card. How cute did this turn out? It was super easy to cut, you guys. It wasn't a pain in the butt like the piñata. I love the piñata die, excuse me, but it is a pain in the neck. Too many pieces, and it's just super annoying. But it turns out super cute. But this one doesn't have a lot of cuts. You guys, it's like layered. I absolutely love this die. I am totally going to make a ton. And you guys have to definitely pick it up and play with it. It'll be perfect for cards or just embellishments or just to send as gifts to your pen pals. How cute is she, you guys? I used some glitter cardstock from Michael's, and she's propped up with foam, but I also added some hot glue, so it kind of gave it like a sturdy layer. So this glitter paper is from Michael's. I think I hauled it. It's like this light baby pink. This cardstock is from Michael's as well, and all I did was line the ears with my painter's pen that you guys know I love to use. The gold glitter paper and the silver glitter paper is from Michael's as well. The eyes and the lashes is this super cute little like fuzzy felt paper that Kat sent me. I thought it was so cute to use it as the eyes and the lashes. The Good Vibes stickers are from Me and My Big Ideas Mambi chips. And a lot of the times when I see the llamas or anything having to do with the llamas, a collection or something, you always see Good Vibes. So I thought that this sticker would be super cute for it. For the saddle, I used that the little net that you use to do the embroidery hoops. That's what I saw on the die that they used. That's why I decided to use that on mine, and I just like trimmed it a little bit to give it a little bit of a little shag right here. Added some trim from Michael's, and excuse me, and these cute little flowers are from Jolie's Boutique. This is the one, oops, my foam tape is stuck to it. This is the little flowers from Jolie's Boutique. These are from Michael's, I think. And this little trim was just something that my friend Jazz sent me in some Happy Mail, and I decided to cut it up and add it around the neck because it's kind of like what they had there, but I didn't have anything with that string, so I used that, and it looks super cute. And I think that's from Daiso. And yeah, this polka dot paper, you guys, is also from Kat's Minty box to me, and this is from Hobby Lobby. The gold foiling is from Michael's, and then the cards themselves are these pre-cut cards that Kat also sent me. I've been using them like crazy. But yeah, you guys, that is my card. Didn't she turn out cute? I also did a little bit of that gold pen on the bottom. I absolutely love her. So I definitely want you guys to check this die out. She's definitely worth purchasing. Super cute. But I also want to share with you guys some other cards that I've made. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen them. But I've been going nuts using the Willow Lane collection for some cards. So I made this one, which is a shaker. Isn't that cute? And I just used some packaging so it's super like puffed out. Very dimensional. Some gold foiling. Some sequins. A lot of the trim is from this. Well, these are like separate little pom-poms. These are from AliExpress. This little trim right here is from Michael's. and the paper is from Willow Lane. So this is one of the cards that I made. I also made this one, which is also a Willow Lane frame. And the dove is that dove die. I don't have, not a dove. Did I say dove? The swan is the swan die that's going around. Let me show you guys the die. 1 second. This is the swan die that I used on this card. It's also by Sizzix. This one is just a little bit more harder to find. I purchased this one from the UK. I'll link it down below if you guys want to definitely check that out. But that's this one. And then you guys, I made this one, which is super cute. I love it, using a bunch of the pieces from the Willow Lane collection. This little fence, I found it at Michael's. It was like 2 little pieces for about $2, I think, maybe. These cute little sequence flowers are also from Michael's. This is what they look like. These are super pricey, so if you are going to purchase these, definitely use your coupon, because I think they're like $7. But you guys, look at that. They're beautiful. So I just put that there. I used my little bow punch to make a bow on her head. If you guys can see that. The bow punch that I used is the little knockouts. And the little butterflies were just some little butterflies that Kat sent me in my Happy Mail. Here's another one that I made, also using the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane's frames. This is a chipboard piece from the collection, papers from the collection, as well as this chipboard piece. I love this. This one looks so feminine. That is my favorite paper in the collection. So cute. And I did a little fabric doily in the back. Then we have this one. And all these cards are using the mint green paper pre-cut cards that Kat sent me. Here's the other card. It's just a little piece of the ephemera. Added some of that Michael's trim. And the little chipboard piece from the collection as well. And in some of the cards, well, not in this one, I did a little bit of Wink Stella on her dress, on some of the flowers, just to give it a little glitz. And then I also made this one, which is super cute. I love this heart paper. That collection is so adorable, you guys. The little bow is from an Amy Tangerine collection. And then the last card I made is this one, which is also adorable. I used a doily. I think I got sent that in some Happy Mail, so I used that. And then another little baker's doily that I have that my cousin had sent me. And then the rest is from the collection. I added some pom-poms to the little chipboard piece. But yeah, you guys, those are the cards that I have been making lately. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys enjoy making cards? When I don't have time to craft or film a video, like a long video, craft with me video, or I just want to come home from work and craft, I like to just make a card or two. It kind of gets the craftiness out of my system. But definitely check out this die. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.